Show you how to make some Jamaican curry chicken with some ground provision. So you start off by cleaning the chicken, cut it into bite-sized pieces. You can remove the skin, that's optional as well. Once you do that, you're gonna wash the chicken now with some vinegar and some water. Rinse and repeat. Do it about 2-3 times, or as your heart desire. So once you do that now, I'm gonna season salt, pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some curry powder, pimento, and some jerk seasoning. I like to put jerk seasoning in mine. So marinate, set aside. Start by cutting up your veggies, your carrot, your potato, your onion, your scallion, your garlic, and of course some habanero. Have your thyme in some as well. Now you're gonna put your pot on the fire, heat some oil, put some pimento seeds, some curry powder, get that all nice and toasty.